Like, fingers crossed. I really want this bag to be as indestructible as it says it is. Let's go put it to the test. Hey guys, I'm Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to be testing my new July luggage that says it is indestructible. So I have come to a historic street in downtown Detroit full of cobblestone, and not only am I going to take it through cobblestone for about an hour, but I am going to drop it from various heights. I'm going to spin it on the cobblestone to see if it falls over, and I am going to scratch it up and down the street to see what happens to it. This bag retails for $285 for the carry-on size, which does seem like a lot of money when it comes to a suitcase, but if it is indestructible, then this could be very well worth the money. Let's put it to the test. What's really cool is that no matter how much we push it or drop it, it won't tip over either, and it's full of stuff. Now let's drop it and see what it does to the outside shell. Higher. Higher. Oh no, maybe not that high. Oh my god. The aluminum bumpers are a little bit scratched up because they're supposed to be. Like, that's why they're there. But everything else looks pretty good. Pretty good. This feels so wrong. Alright, so let's take this home and look at it more in the studio light and see exactly how scratched up it actually is. But I mean, that definitely passed a pretty good test, and at least just by looking at it, it certainly looks better than how Away's suitcase did stand up to just one flight. Let's go home, Brian. But first, Slurpees. Alright, so we're home now, and I'm going to put the July luggage in front of studio lighting, which doesn't lie. So let's see how scratched up it is. So here it is. You can definitely tell that on the aluminum bumpers there are scratch marks, because they put that there on purpose so that if anything were to get ruined, that's what it would be. But you can see, after all of that, literally scraping it on cement, there is not a single scratch on it. Again, just the bumper a little bit. Again, just the bumper a little bit. This is insane, you guys. We literally tried to legit hurt this bag, and there is not a single scratch on it. I literally can't believe how indestructible this luggage actually is. And like I said in the beginning, $285 for luggage seems like it's a lot. However, if it's indestructible and your luggage is gonna stay looking brand spanking new, even 10 years down the line, then it's a no-brainer. Like, I can't begin to explain how impressed I am with this luggage through my luggage test. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. This baby should be your perfect match. Totally worth it, in my opinion. Thanks, July.